Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account on the Badoo dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Badoo dating application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials and you will be allowed to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can swipe left or right on various different profiles. Now, if you wish to deactivate your account, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now, from the gear icon, tap on account and then you have the option to delete your account at the bottom section. If you tap on this, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. You also have various different options to hide your account from various different users as if you have deleted or deactivated it, or you can also delete your account entirely. Now, if you wish to simply deactivate your account and you wish to use it later on, you will need to choose the first option to hide your account and then tap on the continue button. You might then be asked to enter your password for verification, and after entering your password and tapping on the continue button, your account will be deactivated. And if you wish to reactivate your account once again, you will simply need to log back into your account on the Badoo dating application. And once you log in, your account will once again be reactivated. And there you have it. That is how you can deactivate your account on the Badoo dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.